good.
Maruti is offering the Alto K10 with festive discounts of up to 49,000 rupees this November. Price: the Maruti Alto K10 is priced from rupees 3.99 lakh to rupees 5.96 lakh, ex-showroom Delhi. Variants: it can be had in 4 broad variants: STD, O, L11, V11 and V11 Plus. Colors: Maruti Alto K10 comes in 6 monotone shades: metallic sizzling red, metallic silky silver, metallic granite grey, metallic speedy blue, premium earth gold, solid white. Boot space: it offers a boot space of 214 liters. Engine and transmission: it is powered by a 1-liter dual-jet petrol engine, 67 PS 89 Nm, paired with either a 5-speed manual transmission or a 5-speed AMT. The CNG variant uses the same engine and churns out 57 PS and 82 Nm and only comes with the 5-speed manual gearbox. It also has idle engine start-stop technology. The following are the car's claimed mileage figures. Petrol metric ton: 24.39 kmpl, STD, O, L11, V11, V11 Plus. Petrol AMT: 24.90 kmpl, V11, V11 Plus. CNG metric ton: 33.85 km per kilogram, V11. Features: features on board the Alto K10 include a 7-inch touchscreen infotainment system with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, keyless entry, and a digitized instrument cluster. It also gets steering-mounted controls and manually adjustable ORVMs. Safety: passenger safety is ensured by dual front airbags, ABS with EBD, reversing camera, and rear parking sensors. Rivals: the Maruti Alto K10 directly competes with the Renault Kwid. It can also be considered as an alternative to the Maruti Espresso due to its price. Pros: peppy engine, great mileage, Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, legroom and interior space, AMT gearbox. Cons: no day-night option for IRVM. Price: no rear power windows, under-thigh support, placement of front power window switches. For more car reviews, subscribe our YouTube channel, Cars Squad.